In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private app in HubSpot and connect it to the HubSpot API using Power Automate. This process will help you streamline workflows and automate tasks between HubSpot and other applications that you use daily. To get started, navigate to the trial guide section of your HubSpot account. It's usually found in the main menu or through a direct link provided in the platform's resources. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is click on Settings. This is where you customize and control various aspects of your HubSpot environment. Next, locate and select Integrations. This area is key as it allows HubSpot to connect and interact with different applications and services you might be using. Once inside Integrations, click on Private Apps. This specific option lets you build private applications that can securely integrate with HubSpot APIs, offering you tailor-made solutions for your business needs. Now it's time to create your new private app. Look for the button labeled Create a Private App and click on it. You're embarking on the journey that lets you mold HubSpot's capabilities to fit your exact requirements. After initiating the app creation process, click on Basic Info. This tab is important because it's where you lay down foundational details about your app. Within Basic Info, the first section you'll tackle is choose a descriptive name, something memorable that clearly defines what the app will accomplish for you. This is not just for your reference, but also helps any team member understand the app's purpose at a glance. Following the naming phase, move on to Logo. Here, you get the chance to visually brand your app. Upload a logo that symbolizes the app's function or the organization using it. A good logo can make your app appear more professional and recognizable. Once that's done, proceed to add a description. This area is crucial to provide a comprehensive explanation of what your app does. Think of it as a mini pitch that encapsulates all the functionalities and benefits your app brings to the table. After setting up the basics, click on Scopes. At this stage, you define the specific permissions your app will have. Scopes are about setting boundaries, deciding what your app can access and manipulate within HubSpot, ensuring you maintain necessary security and data integrity. Lastly, navigate to webhooks. Adding webhooks allows your app to respond dynamically to specific events that occur within HubSpot. By configuring webhooks, you empower your app to push out updates to other systems in near real time, enhancing operational efficiency and responsiveness. And there you have it. You've successfully created a private app in HubSpot and connected it with the HubSpot API through Power Automate. This integration broadens your ability to automate processes and manage data across different platforms effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy automating.